Hi, I'm Jamie Rathbun with K-State Research and Extension and our Simply Produce program in the Post-Rock District. I have Donna with me. She is a Simply Produce customer, orders every month through our grocery store partner. And we also have Stephanie, who is looking forward to seeing what was in this month's bundle.
So, again, potatoes. Awesome. Grandkids love these. Asparagus. I don't do this, so I give it away. But it is nice because you can give stuff away too. Zucchini. Sometimes we'll get a thing of onions, and I go home and I just process them that evening, and then that way get them in the deep freeze, and then it doesn't go bad. Tomatoes, jalapeno peppers.
Salsa is what I was thinking.
Yeah.
Yep.
Jalapenos are one that I take home and sometimes process too. So I'll chop them up and then freeze them maybe in an ice cube tray or use a small scoop and freeze them on a cookie sheet so then I can bag them all up once they're frozen solid and add them to other dishes later on.
Perfect. Apples, carrots,
Carrot.
and oranges.
Oh, nice.
Yeah,
And
very
how often do
exciting.
you get this?
Once a month. $15
Good.
for 15 pounds. Just go to the grocery store once a month, pay for it ahead of time. The next Friday, then you get to pick it up.
Along with each bundle, there's also a newsletter that comes that includes information about health and wellness or the produce that you get. And on the bottom, we include a recipe that uses some of the items that are in the bundles. We, in Post-Rock Extension District, we have 3 partner grocery stores: Jean's Heartland Foods in Smith Center, Gerard's in Osborne, and Keir's in Mankato. Give us a call and we can let you know when those order dates are. And we also have it posted on our website. Thank you, ladies, very much. I'm so glad you're excited about this program.
Every month?
Every month?
I'm for sure going to get this next month.